Hello everyone, PJ here from TacBotz. Let's go ahead and connect the TacBotz platform to Kucoin for automated trading. We'll first head over to Kucoin, and from Kucoin we'll head to the profile. From profile, API management. Once you are in API management, create an API key, name it what you want. I will do demo test here for simplicity. Paraphrase is up to you. And permission, we need future trading, margin trading, and spot trading. Do not need transfer. And IP restriction, yes. And now we'll head over to TacBotz. We'll go to settings, exchange setup, add exchange. From add exchange, we'll do, depending if you want to do spots or future. So in my case, I will do futures because I want to be able to use leverage and all that good stuff. So select KuCoin futures, continue, name it whatever we want. And now here's the list of IP address for the platform. So just go ahead and click copy back to KuCoin and paste it. I think for KuCoin we might have to do one at a time. Let's see. Nope. Allow us to paste the whole thing. So just paste the whole thing, and then from there just hit next. Let's do the verification, captcha code, trading password, and fill those out. And from there just hit confirm. And now we have our API key. So we'll copy the key, head over to TacBotz and paste it. Copy the secret key, head back over to TacBotz and paste it. And whatever demo password that you had created, go ahead and tap that in as well. And from there, just hit next. Platform will go to the setup to make sure that everything is set up correctly in terms of being able to get the sample as well as the balance. Once it's done, it will let you know that all is well. And that is pretty much it. From there, just hit save and you are good to go.